In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Figma cache. If you've been experiencing any performance issues with your Figma desktop application, such as slow loading times, outdated file previews, or other unexpected glitches, clearing the cache is a powerful troubleshooting step. Figma, like many applications, stores temporary data to optimize performance. But this data can sometimes become corrupted or simply grow too large, leading to these very problems. A quick cache clear can often resolve these frustrations by giving your application a fresh start. To begin, open the Figma desktop application. Once it's running, locate the three dotted line icon. This universal symbol for more options, or the main menu, is typically found in the top left corner of your Figma window. Click on this icon to reveal the application's main drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Settings. Clicking this will open a dedicated window or panel where you can manage various aspects of your Figma application, from account details to privacy configurations. This is precisely where we'll find the options to manage cached data. Within the Settings panel, you'll see a navigation sidebar. Look for and click on Privacy and Security. This action will typically expand a section or take you to a new screen. Within this Privacy and Security section, you should then find a further option that specifically relates to managing site data. This second click essentially takes you into the detailed browser-like settings where Figma's cached information is stored, much like how a standard web browser manages its own temporary files. From here, you'll need to locate and click on the option clearly labeled See All Sites and Permissions. This action will display a comprehensive list of all the websites and internal components for which Figma has stored data, including cookies, local storage, and, crucially, its cache. Now you'll see a search bar at the top of this list. To quickly pinpoint the relevant entries and ensure you're only clearing Figma's specific data, type Figma into this search field. This will effectively filter the displayed list to show only the data associated with Figma itself. Next to the Figma entry or entries, you will find a small trash can icon. Click this icon to permanently delete all of Figma's stored cache data. You might receive a confirmation prompt. If so, confirm the action. For the changes to fully take effect, it's a good practice to restart your Figma application after clearing the cache. You might also be prompted to log back in afterward, but this ensures you're working with the freshest data possible.